Okay, Hank, can y'all see the laser beam on the back of his glove? Okay, so now we know it's pointed right at him, right? So I'm going to remove the laser pointer. That's out. And the first time I fire the cannon, we're not going to drop him so that you can see what the cannonball looks like as it's flying across the stage, okay?
Now,
here we go.
If I don't drop, he can't hit me, because gravity will bend the bullet away from me.
Count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay?
Now, the next time he fires it, I'm going to fall. And the bend of the bullet and how much I fall are going to match, so I get to catch the ball. Now, let's say he shoots it faster this next time. If he shoots the bullet really fast, it gets here so quick that I don't fall very far, but it doesn't bend very much. So I just catch it down here a little bit. If he shoots it slow, it takes a long time to get here. I fall a long ways, but it bends a lot, so I catch it down there by the mat. If gravity didn't even work, I wouldn't fall and the ball wouldn't bend. I'd catch it right here. Nothing can go wrong with this demonstration.
Say, Hank, before I shoot the cannon, do you remember the comment you made about my brains coming out of the back of my head? I'd like you to think about that as your life classes. I'm going to arm it.
Yes.
Ready? It's armed. Okay, a little help. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.